Hello everyone, and welcome to Beautyistic. Now I know we're all on the lookout for that perfect foundation, one that delivers flawless coverage without feeling heavy, right? Today, we've got a Korean beauty gem that promises exactly that. The AMOREPACIFIC Color Control Cushion Compact Broad Spectrum SPF 50+. It's a product that has taken the beauty world by storm, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. This cushion foundation comes in a sleek, compact form, offering the convenience of on-the-go application with a lightweight, buildable formula. It's packed with SPF 50+, which means you're getting both coverage and sun protection in one step. A definite plus, especially in today's fast-paced world. The shade I've been testing is 104 Light Medium Pink, which seems to work well for those with a fair to medium skin tone, particularly if you're looking for a cooler pink undertone. Now, let's talk about the key benefits and how this product performs. The AMOREPACIFIC cushion provides a radiant, dewy finish, which is perfect if you're someone who loves that fresh, glowing look. The coverage is buildable, so whether you're looking for something light and natural or full coverage for a flawless finish, this product can deliver both. Plus, it's designed to work for all skin types: combination, dry, oily, and normal, making it quite versatile. During my testing, I noticed that the product glided smoothly onto my skin and didn't feel cakey at all, which is a huge win for me. I typically go for medium coverage, and this gave me just that with a few gentle pats using the puff applicator. For lighter coverage, you can use a sweeping motion, but for that airbrushed look, a few more layers will do the trick. One thing I really appreciate is the innovative design of the compact. It's both functional and hygienic. The pre-saturated cushion ensures the product stays moist and fresh, so you don't have to worry about it drying out too quickly. Just be sure to close both levels of the compact securely after use, as the sponge can dry out if left open for too long. As for performance, I found that the AMOREPACIFIC cushion held up pretty well throughout the day. It didn't settle into fine lines or emphasize dry patches, which is often an issue with other foundations. However, because of its dewy finish, it might not be the best option if you're looking for a matte, oil-controlling foundation, especially if you have very oily skin. Pros: buildable coverage that can go from light to medium, dewy, radiant finish that gives you that fresh glow, SPF 50+ for added sun protection. Convenient compact with a hygienic design, works well on different skin types. Cons: dewy finish may not suit those with oily skin. The compact can be a bit bulky for travel. The price point might be a concern for some. Now let's talk about the price. At a higher price point, this cushion foundation may not be the most affordable option, but you're definitely paying for the quality and the brand's reputation. The added SPF, buildable coverage, and radiant finish are hard to beat in the luxury beauty segment. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might want to check out other cushion foundations that offer similar coverage at a lower cost. When it comes to build quality, the compact is quite sturdy. It feels luxurious in your hands, and the puff applicator ensures an even, smooth application every time. I've been using it daily, and it's showing no signs of wear or tear. As for longevity, I'd say it holds up pretty well through the day, especially with the added bonus of sun protection. In terms of customer support, I haven't personally reached out to AMOREPACIFIC, but the brand generally has a good reputation for handling inquiries and ensuring customer satisfaction. To sum it up, the AMOREPACIFIC Color Control Cushion Compact is a solid product if you're in the market for a cushion foundation that provides a radiant finish, buildable coverage, and high sun protection. While it might not be for everyone, especially if you're after a matte look, it does deliver on its promises. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.